This 18-minute power flow focuses on full body strength and steady breath. Welcome to day 2. Start seated on your heels. Close your eyes. Feel your weight drop into the earth. Let your spine rise gently from that rooted place. Now open your eyes. Begin to roll your head from side to side. Slow, spacious movements. Let tension drip from the neck with each arc. Return to center. Rise into a tall kneeling position. Place your right hand on your lower back and reach your left arm up and back, opening through the heart. Keep your hips pressing forward. Stay here for a breath. Come back to center, switching sides. Left hand on your lower back. Right arm lifts and arcs. Let the front body expand without force. Return to a tall kneeling position. Pause in stillness. And then shift forward into tabletop. Hands spread wide, knees grounded. Begin to move through a few cat-cows, arching and rounding as we warm the spine. Start to trace slow figure eights with your spine and hips. There's no right way, just fluid exploration. Now reverse directions. Let your breath stay soft and steady as your body begins to wake. Find a breath in tabletop. And now tuck your toes, sending the hips up and back. Downward facing dog. Bend one knee and then the other, pedaling it out. Slowly step your feet to the top of the mat. Hang heavy in forward fold. Walk your fingertips forward as far as they'll go, lifting your heels as your arms reach long. And then walk the hands back towards your feet, lifting the toes this time. Gently move through this motion. Forward, heels lift. Back, heels ground. and toes rise. As you return back, slowly rise to stand. Arms sweep up to the sky. Interlace your fingers, flipping the palms up. Step your right foot behind and across to the left, leaning into a side bend over to the right. Feel the stretch through your whole left side. Come through center, stepping your right foot back, gentle back bend. And now step the left foot behind and over to the right side, side bend to the left. Returning to center, tall and open. Arms fall forward into a forward fold. Halfway lengthen, step back to plank, lower, cobra, and push back into down dog. Take a moment here. Step your right foot forward, finding crescent lunge. Arms reach high. Lower into cactus arms, elbows wide, heart open. Slowly bring your forearms to touch in front of you, and then open back to cactus and extend. Flow through this movement at your own pace. Let it feel strong, expansive, alive. Find stillness in crescent. Cartwheel your hands down to frame the front foot. Step back to high plank. Hold steady. And push back to down dog. Lift your right leg high. Three-legged dog. Open the hip, bending the knee. Stay here, or if it calls, flip your dog. Let the heart open and the right arm arc wide. Return to downward facing dog. Take a breath to reset. Step the left foot forward, finding crescent lunge. Arms rise. Lower into cactus. Forearms meet in front. Open wide and extend fully overhead. Repeat this motion, gathering in and opening out. Find stillness in lunge and bring the hands down to frame the front foot. Stepping back to high plank. Hold with presence. Shift back to downward facing dog. Lift your left leg high behind you. Let the hip open, bending the knee. Stay here or follow the arc of your lifted knee as you flip into Wild Thing. Heart open, body expansive. Unwind back to downward facing dog. Feel the balance of both sides now. Awake and steady. Slowly walk your feet to the top of the mat. Let your spine roll up, one vertebra at a time, and reach your arms overhead, standing tall and anchored. Begin to climb. One hand pulls and then the other, like climbing a rope, strong and steady, keeping the core engaged. Let the movement be rhythmic and powerful. Let the arms slow, hands come to heart center. Step wide on your mat, arms sweep out, forward fold into a wide-legged straddle. Ground one hand beneath your face, extending the other to the sky. Let the spine spiral gently. Switch sides. And one more time, grounding one hand and lifting the other. And shifting to the other side. Return to center, grounding both hands. Halfway lift. And now let your weight shift gradually into your right foot, bending the right knee deeply as the left leg extends. Slowly bring your left hand behind your head, elbow pointing wide. Let this be less about the shape, more about the unfolding. Release the left hand down, and with steadiness begin to rise just enough to float through center. Moving to the other side, bending the left knee, right leg extends long, feeling the hips settle. Gently draw the right hand behind your head, elbow wide. Let the chest turn open. Release the right hand and begin to guide your way back through center, finding your own fluid path, and settle softly into an easy seat. Root down through your sitting bones as your spine lifts with quiet strength. On your next inhale, sweep the arms up and overhead, palms touch. Exhale slowly as you draw your hands down to heart center. Feel the energy you've built, strong, balanced, and alive, gathering at your center. Let it land fully in your body, not just a sensation, but as strength, clarity, and awareness. Notice what's shifted physically, mentally, energetically. Let this grounded openness stay with you as you move off your mat today. Namaste.